Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use reverse charging on your RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. Your phone, since it has a big battery, it can function as a power bank for your friend's phone or for your other devices like headphones, for example, or anything else. In order to use it, all you'll need to do is plug in the USB-C cable into your port, pretty simply, right? And then on the other end, plug in a device that you'd like to charge, like an older phone, for example. Yeah, I can see that it's doing it the other way around, because this phone also likes sharing a battery. It's Samsung, and yeah, I can hear click charge connected device. I can disable it, but I can't really. Okay, now this phone is being charged, and also I can plug in my headphones, for example, and they should also begin to charge, as you can see right now. They are being charged. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.